Okay, my dear students, good morning. Today we will do some question from Readmore Opt.Maths, 7th updated edition, Unit 5, Trigonometry, Exercise 1, continue, page 175. Just to continue, today question number 3. On 3 we have prove the following identities. Prove the following identities. On A we have sin 3 upon sin A minus cos 3A upon cos A equal to 2. Let's solution. Here, left hand side LHS equal to sin 3A upon sin A minus cos 3A upon cos A. We start from LHS. Now, next step, taking LCM sin A dot cos A. That is the LCM over here. Sin A dot cos A. Now sin 3A into cos A. Sin 3A dot cos A minus cos 3A dot sin A. Cos 3A dot sin A. In first step, taking LCM. Now, our part, numerator becomes sin 3A dot cos A minus cos 3A dot sin A. It makes the formula of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, sin 3A minus A. Sin A minus B form. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Whole upon sin A dot cos A. Here, we use the formula of sin A minus B. We know that sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B by using this formula. Now next step, sin 3A minus A, it makes sin 2A, 3A minus A, 2A upon sin A dot cos A. Now using formula of sin 2A, we know that sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. So 2 sin A dot cos A upon sin A dot cos A. Then sin A cos A cancel out, remaining 2, which is our RHS. So equal to RHS. So you can write proved. Okay, now for B. On B we have sin 5A upon sin A. Sin 5A upon sin A minus cos 5A upon cos A. Cos 5A upon cos A. This equal to 4 times cos 2A. 4 times cos 2A. Now, we start from the LHS. Solution here. Left hand side, LHS equal to sin 5A upon sin A minus cos 5A upon cos A. Now taking LCM, LCM is sin A dot cos A. Sin A dot cos A. Now sin 5A into cos A. Sin 5A dot cos A minus cos 5A dot sin A. Next step, it makes sin A cos B minus cos A sin B form. This is the formula of sin A minus B. So we can write sin 5A minus A whole upon sin A cos A, because we know that sin A minus B equals to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We apply this one over here. Now sin 5A minus A 4A, so sin 4A upon sin A cos A. Now sin 4A, sin 2 times of 2A, making sin 2A pattern. 2 times of 2A, that is 4A, all upon sin A dot cos A. Now sin 2 times of 2A, that is 2 sin 2A dot cos 2A, using formula of sin 2A form, all upon sin A dot cos A. Now next step, again sin 2A, here we can use formula of sin 2A, 2 dot sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A dot cos 2A. So sin 2A equals to 2 sin A cos A. Sin 2A equals to 2 sin A cos A. Whole upon sin A cos A. You know that is equal to sin 2A equals to 2 sin A dot cos A. Now sin A cos A cancel out, remaining 2 into 2, 4 cos 2A. 2 to the 4, then cos 2A, which is the RHS right inside. So we can write proved. Now next question for C. On C we have tan 2A plus sin 2A. Tan 2A plus sin 2A equal to 4 tan A upon 1 minus 10 to the power 4A. Now proceed. Okay, now it's also, we can start from any side. Here we start from LHS. Solution here, left hand side, LHS equal to tan 2A plus sin 2A. Tan 2A, its formula is 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A plus sin 2A. RHS in terms of tan, so we use the formula of sin 2A in terms of tan A. That is 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Then taking LCM becomes 1 minus tan square A dot 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A. Now 2 tan A into 1 plus tan square A. 2 tan A into 1 plus tan square A plus 2 tan A into 1 minus tan square A. 2 tan A into 1 minus tan square A. Now multiply this, 2 tan A 1 is 2 tan A. 2 tan A into tan square A, it makes 2 tan cube A, degree 1, degree 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So 2 tan cube A plus 2 tan A into 1, 2 tan A, 2 tan A into minus tan square A plus minus 2 tan A into tan square A, tan cube A. Whole upon here A minus B form A plus B, it makes A square minus B square. So 1 square minus tan square A, 1 square. A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square form. Now 2 tan cube A positive, this negative cancel out, remaining 2 tan A plus 2 tan A, it makes 4 tan A upon 1 square 1 minus tan square A whole square, that is 10 to the power 4 a, which is the right hand side RHS. So proved. Now next number D. On D we have cos A upon cos A minus sin A. Cos A upon cos A minus sin A and minus cos A upon cos A plus sin A. This is equal to tan 3a. Now, its solution. Solution here. Left hand side LHS equal to cos A upon cos A minus sin A. Minus cos A upon cos A plus sin A. Now take LCM. LCM is cos A minus sin A and cos A plus sin A. So you can write cos A minus sin A times cos A plus sin A. Now this cos A multiplied with cos A plus sin A. Cos A into cos A plus sin A and minus cos A with cos A minus sin A. Okay. In the first step, taking LCM of two parts. Now this is equal to A minus B, A plus B comes to cos A square, cos square A minus sin A square, sin A square A. A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. Now upper part cos A into cos A, cos square A, cos A into sin A, plus sin A cos A, minus cos A into cos A, minus cos square A, minus into minus, plus sin A cos A. Now next step, cos square A plus cos square A minus positive cos square A, negative cos square A cancel out. Sin A cos A positive, sin A cos A positive. It makes 2 sin A cos A. Sin A cos A, sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A. Upon cos square A minus sin square A, that is 1 half cos 2A. Now 2 sin A cos A, this is the 1 half sin 2A. So 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A upon cos 2A. We know that sin by cos, that is 10 and inverse is 2A. So tan 2A, which is the RHS, equal to RHS. So it is proved. Now next question. A. On A we have sin 2A upon sin A, sin 2A upon sin A minus cos 2A upon cos A equal to sec A. Now its solution here you can start from LHS. Left hand side LHS equal to sin 2A upon sin A minus cos 2A upon cos A. Okay, first step taking LCM. LCM becomes sin A dot cos A. Sin A dot cos A. Now sin 2A multiplied with cos A. So sin 2A dot cos A minus cos 2A multiplied with sin A. So cos 2A dot sin A. Next formula, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B form. So we can write sin A minus B form. So sin 2A minus A. Sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So here A 2A, B is A. So sin 2A minus A upon sin A dot cos A. 2A minus A, so sin A upon sin A dot cos A. Sine cancel out, remaining 1 by cos A. We know that 1 by cos is sec. So 1 by cos A is sec A. That is the RHS. So you can write root. Now next number 3. Yeah. On 3 up, the question is sin 8a upon sin 4a, sin 8a upon sin 4a minus cos 8a upon cos 4a. This equals to sec 4a. Now we start from LHS. LHS is sin 8a upon sin 4a minus cos 8a upon cos 4a. Now first step taking LCM. LCM is sin 4a dot cos 4a. Sin 4a dot cos 4a. Now sin 8a multiplied with cos 4a. So sin 8a dot cos 4a minus cos 8a multiplied with sin 4a. So cos 8a dot sin 4a. Now this upper part makes formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is the formula of sin a minus b. So this is equal to sin 8a minus 4a. A means 8a, b means here 4a. All upon sin 4a dot cos 4a. Next step 8a minus 4a, that is 8a, so 4a. So 8 minus 4, 4. So it makes sin 4a, 8 minus 4, 4. So sin 4a upon sin 4a dot cos 4a. Here sin 4a cancel out, remaining 1 upon cos 4a. We know that 1 by cos, that is sec. So sec 4a, which is the RHS. So it is proved. Okay students, this was for today. Have a nice study. Have a nice time. See you soon.